Quiet, Tug. Can you be quiet? No? Quiet. 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 Get back. Get back, weirdo. This is why he's excited. Get back. We're going to chase a snowball. Get back. It's your Twin Cities area weather update and a barking dog. Here we go. Chase the snowball in all the fragments. It's Sunday, March 9, 2025. We had about 10 inches of fresh snow. Otherwise, it was all brown grass on Wednesday afternoon. Here it is Sunday. We've set the clocks ahead an hour. It was in the 60s today. It's near sunset around 7 p.m. And here comes old Reagan. Oh, you want to play too, don't you? But plenty of melt. It's the last weather update for a while. It's back to Hawaii footage. Just like old times. No more snow. Details at 10.